down?
Are we napkin? No, I'm going to.
Okay. And this.
Every day.
Which one do you need?
Number 2, please.
2? Oh, sorry, I had one. It's a nice resort. Just got here yesterday.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you from?
New Jersey.
Oh, okay. Going up?
Which one do you need?
4, please. Thank you.
4?
Alright, have a good one.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too, then.
Thank you. Kind of foggy out. It's a parking garage. Elevonic 411s. Sorry about the camera movement. I didn't want to get people on video. And you know, I like to respect their privacy. So I apologize. Just got here yesterday. My second day here. So these are the elevators, North Tower elevators at the Avista Resort in North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This one's coming out. 17.